What is it? What is it?
Cat.
Cat. Good. Erin, can you find another cat? Yes. Good. Very good. Cat. Okay. Cat. Okay. Justin, can you pick one card? Oh, what is it?
Bed.
Bed. Maybe can you find another bed? Can you find another bed? Oh, yes. Okay, very good. Bed. Okay. And what is this? House, right? Is this house?
Yes.
Yes. And how about that one? House. Yes, house. Two houses. Very good. Two houses. Okay. So let's for today, right? Let's all for today. Now we are going back to Otto's house. But before that, we have to sing a song. Meow, meow, Otto the cat. Meow, meow, Otto the cat. Come here, say goodbye. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, are you ready to sing the song?
Ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Meow, meow,